Good morning, everybody, again. Thank you very much for being here. I understand that this is an early morning, so it's not easy to start. Today we have the International World Day of Standards, and I think that this event is important also for promotion, better understanding of the role of the meaning of the standards in digital area, but of course standards are very important in many areas. And of course the question how and why the standards are so important is the essential not only for our today's discussion but also for our work. We need to understand all dimensions of the digital revolution and incoming era of the Internet of Things. So it will lead us to the necessity of the new framework for standards understanding and implementation. It means that European standards need to be quickly available, especially but not only to assure the interoperability between services and applications in the field of information and communications technology, serving industry and public needs. Standards offer significant benefits. Standards facilitate interoperability by allowing products from different suppliers to work together. Standards reduce costs for consumers and producers, make products more valuable and stimulate further innovation. European standards need to respond to an increasing demand as a tool to support European policies and legislation for digital development. So standardization within Europe will continue to make a significant contribution to the European economy. Many new digital services in Europe, such as electronic mobile health applications, crucially depend on EU-wide standards and smooth operations across our internal borders. European standards are powerful strategic tools for business to increase their competitiveness. Since European standards are used above all by businesses as a tool to facilitate the market penetration of innovative goods and reduce production costs, standards must keep pace with ever faster product development cycles. The European standardization system must become as inclusive as possible to involve a wide range of participants, representative of businesses of all sizes, consumers, other societal stakeholders such as trade unions, environmental NGOs, representative of elderly and disabled people, and develop close cooperation among partners and public authorities at the European and national levels. We also need to understand that European standards are increasingly aligned with international standards, with global standards. And the last point, we need fair balance between right holders and implementers. In the digital economy, standard essential patents are an increasingly important feature. For the success of its digital single market, Europe's standardization strategy needs a balanced framework between right holders and implementers of standard essential patents and ensure fair licensing conditions. So there are some remarks for the beginning, but of course it was my view from the political perspective, from the parliamentary member of the parliament perspective, and with understanding what is the role of the standards when we are talking now on this game changer as digital drivers can be for European economy, for European development. But we have today, this morning, great speakers, and I think that they will inspire us for further debates and also for activity in the area of standardization. So first of all, I would like to invite Kerstin Jorna, Director, Single Market Policy, Regulation and Implementation, Directorate General, Internal Market, Industry, Entrepreneurship and SMEs, DG GROW from European Commission. The floor is yours.